So let's go ahead and do another example, except this time, instead of dealing with complete dominance, we're going to deal with the incomplete dominance. So we have these Andalusian fowls, which are basically chickens, and the two phenotypes which are basically incompletely dominant over each other are the following. So I'm going to kind of write it slightly different. So P for plumage, okay, and then we'll put B for black, so superscript. It makes it a lot easier to deal with here. And then the P for plumage and then the W for white. Okay, so the black and white are incompletely dominant over each other. And the heterozygotes, which would be as such, okay, so we'll just go ahead and do this because they're going to be homozygous anyway. And then we'll put BW here. They're blue. Okay, so you can see the blue one here. I didn't get a white chicken, however, you can see the black one here. Now, the question is asking you, what phenotypes, or basically what phenotypes and their ratios will result if you breed a blue Andalusian with one of each of these? Okay, so we have three different ones, so I'm going to go ahead and plan to do 3 Punnett squares. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 3 Punnett squares. Okay, so remember, for each of these, you are breeding or mating a blue chicken with one of the others. Okay, so blue, we have PB, PW, PB, PW, PB, PW. All right, so the first one is with the blackbird. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do this. Okay, so then we've got homozygous black, another homozygous black, and then a heterozygote, and another heterozygote. Okay, B. All right, so basically we have a 1-to-1 ratio of phenotypes. So black to blue. Okay, so remember the heterozygotes. There's 2 black and 2 blue. So it's a 50% probability, or 0.5 probability that the offspring, or at least 50% of the offspring, are going to be blue and 50% of them are going to be black. Now let's go ahead and look at the cross with another blue one. P, W, and then we've got, ooh. Okay, now basically we have 1 black to 2 heterozygotes, which will be blue, and then to 1 white. Okay, so it's a 1-to-2-to-1 ratio, so this would be black, blue, white. All right, so that means there's a 0.25 probability of 0.25 or 25% chance that the offspring, or 25% of the offspring, are going to be black, 25% of the offspring are going to be white, and then 50% of the offspring will be blue. And then if we just do the cross with the white, it'll be very similar to the first one. Instead, we'll have 50% white, right, and 50% blue. Okay, so that's again a 1-to-1 ratio, and in this case it'll be blue to white. Okay, so again, 50% of the offspring are going to be white, and 50% of the offspring will be blue. We'll do another one.